Cho, only saw this madman run out in the road like a madman.
Why? Look how cabby lick me down and kill me.
Get up out of the road. You're only hallucinating. You're not dead for now.
Uno give him some sweet sugar water there.
Me can get a bun and cheese with it too.
Right here, it look like a hungry Madix did hungry.
The one cabby mini man. I'm gonna buy me the bun and cheese.
Oi, waiter. Can I get some service, please?
Richie British, you in at the place? Well, yeah, I don't know, my boss.
Let me have a bottle of your most expensive champagne. Hey fam, I would like you to take it over to that gorgeous young lady sitting by herself over there. Got it, bruv? And bruv, tell her it's with my compliments. Richie British. Got it, fam? I'm sure she's a woman of expensive taste. And who knows, bruv, I might just get lucky tonight. Eh?
Chat bout. From your walking, me notice your eyes, yo. Bet you say you win her over with ease. My lady, the big boss over there send this to you with his compliments.
Give him this note for me.
Yo, Richie, she sent back a note to you, you know. And it looked like she waiting on your response before she bust the champagne.
For me to accept this buckle, you need to have a Mercedes in your garage, a few million in your bank account, and 9 inches in your trousers.
Alright. And that you say? Give her this note for me then, bro.
My lady, Richie British send back a note to you.
Just so you know, right? I have a brand new Porsche outside and a brand new Beamer pack up in my yard. And I got over 10 million P's in the bank. But nobody, I mean nobody, not gonna make me cut 3 inches off what I'm having on my pants. So fam, you can just send back the champagne, eh?